Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor, and in this video I am going to talk about the 5-minute strategy that is getting very famous on TradingView. So guys, please note down this strategy. So this is how the strategy look, and we will talk about the indicators in the next moment. So before I start the strategy, so if you have not joined the Exness broker, which is the most regulated and the fast withdrawal and deposit method, the broker, and that what I am using from 2015, the link is given in the description of this video below. So now let's move towards the indicator. The first indicator that we will need is the Oracle Seek 2.5 sequential indicator, and that is by Oracle MM, and it has only 64 favorites right now. Okay, so attach the first one, and this will look like this on your screen on your TradingView, right? So this is the first indicator. The second indicator that we will be using is the name of the Oracle Move WM, and this is by Cossi Celebri, and it has only 71 favorites right now. So guys, attach the second indicator on your chart like this, as I have attached in front of you. The third indicator that we will be going to use with this strategy is the OBV MACD indicator by Rafael Zioni. Okay, and this has a maximum good number of favorites, 2688, because this is a very famous indicator. Okay, so right now you can see that 3 indicators are attached on my screen, and they looks very complicated in the first look. That you might be thinking that this is very complicated. However, this is not a complicated indicator. I will tell you about the entry rules. Okay, so guys, first of all, we have to change the little bit settings into the Oracle Move indicator, because we want to change the color for the buy signal to the blue line, and the other one we want into the red line. So you will plot the red color on the second line, right? Okay, now you can see instead of orange, we are getting the red line here. Okay, so guys, here you have to keep an eye on the 9 number. You can see here on the gold 5-minute chart, we have the 9 number, and at the top it has said you top bearish. Okay, so whenever it says you top bearish, it means that now you should open your eyes, heart and mind, and look for your entry. So what is the specification for the entry? You should have the top bearish signal from the first indicator. At the second time, if I zoom and show you here, you can see the red line cross the blue line, and the red line has come at the top level and the blue line has gone to the lower level. That's a moving average crossover. So you can see the red line is at the top, and also you have received the top bearish signal. And you can see the third confirmation, the OBV MCAD indicator that is attached on the screen below. It should also turn into red color. So now if you look at here, so already this confirmation is met and the market has already gone down. Okay, so for example, if you have a top bullish confirmation here, so for example, look at here we have a top bullish confirmation. Then you can see the long bullish candles appeared, the blue crossed the red one, and then you can see the MACD OBV MACD indicator also turned into the blue color. That's your entry for the buy position, and you can set up the stop loss below the 9 or above the 9 as per your choice, because you know that you guys are very good in setting up the stop losses, right? Okay, let's have a look on USD JPY. Okay, the fingers crossed by the red cross, the blue one. MACD is also red, and you can see top bearish sign was also here. So this is your entry. And if we talk about the top bullish, and you can see the bullish candles appeared, the crossover happens, and the blue signs from the MACD OBV indicator. So guys, this indicator is very powerful. That's very good for the 5-minute scalping time frame. However, wherever you see, for example, look at here we have a top bullish signal, but you can see the crossover doesn't happen, and you will ignore such type of signals. Where the crossover will happen and you have the top bullish or bearish signal, you can simply go for that entry. Okay, so this indicator is very good. So for example, now look at the Euro JPY. The red is going to cross the blue one, and the top bearish sign is here. MACD OBV is also red, and you can take the entry after this proper crossover. So guys, at the end I will say, if you're having the problems with your broker, because I'm very heavily satisfied with the Exness broker, I have shown many withdrawals with this broker, so please watch my previous videos. You can also join this broker, and the link is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, so please like the video, subscribe the FX Mentor YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.